Okay, hi everyone. Thank you for coming today. Today we're going to be talking about the do's and don'ts of creating health content. And my name is Virginia, and thank you, Dr. Sia, for inviting me today. It's really kind of you. I hope you find this presentation really helpful. So, one of the questions people think about before they start creating health content or health videos is, can you get in trouble for posting health content on social media? And so it depends because health information is highly regulated, and there are some things that you can post which are totally fine, and that tends to be educational content. And there are some things that you definitely shouldn't post. So that's what we're going to go through today. So you will learn what you definitely cannot talk about or show on camera or on your content, what you can and cannot say about drugs and medicines or surgical procedures. We'll also talk about supplements and health apps, and when to put a warning, disclaimer, and declaration on your content and what that disclaimer could say.